The Samoan word for today is Laupapa, which means a wooden board or a plank. But you see all these boards. I had to put them all in the walls. It's called backing. It's like it gives it like a firm support for when you hang like sinks and stuff. So if you need a firm support, then check out the digital downloads in the Midwestern Samoan store. The link is in the bio. You can find all sorts of downloads that'll help with the learning of the Samoan language. So if you want something to support like this Laupapa, right? Then check that out, and also message us if you're interested in the one-on-one lessons, which is 30 minutes a week, and then you can join the class, which is an hour a week too. So and that's $100 a month. So yeah, Laupapa.